Hi and welcome. In today's tutorial video we want to solve for x, and this is an inequality. This is a very common example to come out in your final year exam metric paper, and one should know how to solve this here, as it can make the difference between passing or failing, or an A or a distinction, or a B. So therefore you should know this, as this usually carry between 3 to 4 marks. So one should know how to do this. Let's begin. What we can do is we can simplify the left hand side by removing the bracket. So we'll say x squared, then we'll say that multiply by that, that multiply by that. We add it up together and we'll get minus 3x. Then we'll say last term times last term will be plus 2. We'll take the 6 to the left hand side. As a result, this will be minus 6, bring down the inequality sign, and this will be 0. Now we'll bring this down, minus 2 minus 3x. This here is like terms. 2 minus 6 will be minus 4, less than 0. Now what we can do is open up two brackets, bring down the inequality sign, and 0. This will be x and x to give us the first term, and then what times what will give us 4. We can say 4 and 1, and then now the signs will be minus 4 and plus 1. As a result, we'll end up with a 3, because minus 4 plus 1 will give us minus 3. Now once we remove the 4, from the bracket it will be positive 4. So, and then once we remove this plus 1, it will be minus 1. Now we need to plot this inequality. This is always the case, you have to always plot it. So this will be minus 1, and this here will be 4. This is your x. Now how will the graph go? Go back here. We know that this is a quadratic and this is a positive, so your graph will be like this. If this was a negative here, then your graph will be like this, be a sad face. But in this case it's positive. So now let's go back to the problem. So now if we look at this, we're interested in everything that's less than 0. Everything less than 0, in other words, everything that's negative. So everything that's negative is this. This is the negative. So we're interested in this portion here. Remember, if we was interested in everything greater than 0, then we'll be interested in this portion here and that portion there. But now in this case we're interested in this portion here, everything that's negative. So therefore the inequality will be minus 1 less than x less than 4. That's the answer. There you go. Thanks for watching, and also remember to subscribe for us to continue uploading content like this, and for future examples that will help you prepare for your final year paper.